Finding things in common. Have you ever played with someone you didn't know very well? How did you feel? What did you do together? In this story, Z feels nervous about playing with new friends and doesn't know what they can do together. The kids help Z learn that even if someone seems new or different, you can discover things that you have in common, things that are the same about both of you. As you listen to the story, pay attention to what the characters have in common, ways they are the same. All morning, Z had been exploring the treehouse. There were so many new things to see, hear, and touch. It was all very different from Z's home. Just then, Z heard voices outside. Z looked out the window and saw two of the children who played at the treehouse walking toward the tree. Z felt nervous and a little bit scared. Z didn't know the kids very well yet, and they seemed very different. Z wondered what they could talk about or what they could play together. What if the kids didn't like what Z liked? Or what if they didn't like Z? Jordan and Mia came into the treehouse. "Hi, Z! Do you want to play?" they asked. Z gave a small wave to the kids but stayed on the other side of the room. Z didn't know how they would decide what to play together. Whoopsie! Z didn't know how to find things that they all had in common or how they were the same. What would you tell Z to do? Z, what's the matter? Asked Mia. Don't you want to play today? I do like to play, whispered Z. But we are different. I'm an alien and you are kids. I don't know what we can do together. I'll bet there are lots of ways that we're the same, even if we're also a little bit different, said Mia. Jordan and I are different because he wears special hearing aids to help him hear and I don't. And we also have our own different families. But we're also the same because we both like elephants and we both like pizza and we both like to build sandcastles together. Z was excited. Do you think we can find some ways that we're the same too? Of course, said Mia. Let's see. I really like to sing songs. What about you? I like to sing songs too, exclaimed Z. That's something we have in common. I also like to play a game called Zugo and Zip, added Z. Everyone hides where the Zugo can't see them, and then the Zugo zips over and tries to find them. That game is the same as hide and seek. We love to play that game, exclaimed Jordan. So the three friends played Zugo and Zip and hide and seek all afternoon. You know, Z, said Jordan, I was a little nervous to play with you today too, but I'm glad that we got to know each other. We found out that we have lots of things in common. And Z and Mia felt very glad too. Z says, whenever we're together, my friends help me discover how children on earth get along with each other. Z wants all of you to remember that when you talk and play with one another, you can also discover things you have in common.